Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to link YouTube channel to Facebook page, easy tutorial. So for us to be able to begin, just log in onto your Facebook account first. Then right after, so that we could link our YouTube channel to our Facebook page, let us go ahead and switch to our Facebook page. So since we're on to our personal account in here, to switch onto our Facebook page, click onto your profile icon here, onto the upper right corner of the screen. Then choose in the Facebook page wherein you want to go ahead and link your YouTube channel. For example, I have this tutorial page. So simply click onto that so that it should go ahead and switch your account. So we'll just have to wait for this one to be switched. So once you're in here to add in or link our YouTube channel, we're gonna add that onto our profile. Click onto your profile picture in here with your name, or you could click here onto the upper part and then click back again onto your page. So this will redirect you onto the profile page. Right after that, for us to be able to go ahead and in our YouTube channel, let's scroll down in here and click on edit details. So here on edit details, if you scroll down further, you should be able to find an option to go ahead and update your information. So we're gonna click onto that since we're gonna go ahead and add in our YouTube website. So scroll down until you find in websites and social links. Simply click on add social link in here, and then right after, instead of this one Instagram, we have the option for YouTube. So simply click onto that. Right after, you'll just have to paste your YouTube username in here. So I have here my YouTube account, and this is my username. So we're gonna go ahead and try to copy that one out, head back onto your Facebook page and paste it there. Once you paste that and click onto save, this will be automatically displayed onto your home page, onto the details of your Facebook page. So let's head back here. Click back again onto your home page. And if you scroll down, you should be able to see already in here your YouTube channel connected. So if you click onto that, as you can see, your Facebook page is linked to your YouTube channel. And if you think this tutorial has been helpful to you, then don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.